Hey guys, sorry for the angle. As you can see, we are randomly outside. I was gonna film the intro and stuff, but I slept past my alarm. Now we are stuck. All of this stuff I gotta do in a matter of 2 minutes. Okay, let's see. I'm trying to get a good angle. So, today we're driving the truck. I'm pretty excited. It's freezing out right now. I'm cold. It's like 30 something degrees. Yeah, my breath is, let's see it. Oh man, it is nice and cold. No heating. I'm just hoping this window doesn't defrost. Okay, like that. Take the bag off the carb. We're ready to go. Long story short, I was supposed to make a whole first part of the video, but I slept. So now we're stuck with doing this one part, and I'll come back to you guys in a bit. But today we're driving the truck. Holy cow, it is cold in here. Let's see, that's a good angle right there, maybe. All right, but today we're driving the truck to the high school. I'll also have my teacher help me work on it. Put these up here. And I'll just leave them on my shirt. Like I said, it is cold. I'm shaking pretty much right now. I can't find the seatbelt spot. Hopefully she starts this morning. That's what I'd like. It'd be kind of nice if it did. Okay, there we go. Oh, she's cold, dude. Oh. Oh boy. I don't think she's gonna start. There we go. Let's go, baby. She's running. We're moving. She's idling so high from being on choke right now. Why is it going? I'm trying to put it in reverse. Oh, come on. You're having a hard time seeing right now. Driving smooth. I can get a little windshield wipe here. Let's try to see if we're rolling. Yeah, something's out with this speedo. Man, it is cold. And she's died. Dude, she is being rough. I have to keep the RPM high. There we go, now we're moving. stalled, but oh well, we're here. I'll get with you guys in a minute. All right, guys, we got her going. Turns out it's a freaking vacuum leak, guys. Here we go. There we go. Now we're moving, baby. She idles. I'm probably talking too loud for the camera, but it's okay because she freaking idles, boys. Look at this. Driving the truck. No issues at all right now so far. Hopefully don't jinx that. I almost ran into a little rock earlier. Well, kind of a big boulder, but I mean, that's okay. It's good to have mirrors, let's just say that. Let's bring her right in here. Oof. What a dream, dude. Look at her. She drives so good. Put her in second, just cruising. Look at that. Look at that low RPM. No foot on the gas. She runs. Dude, I'm so excited. I think my speedometer works. A little bit. Temp gauge works. You can see that there. I'm hoping this is clear footage. Hopefully it's not just of the dash or anything like that. I mean, okay, so we have the GoPro on the head cam right now. Pretty much gonna get this thing going. The show on the road. I did find a line down there and I plugged that in. I heard something leaking and that was it. But we're gonna start doing this, and I figured I'd get on video because I haven't made a video in a while. I took a little break. I owe you guys some content, so we'll get going on this. We'll figure out what goes where. These are the air filter bolts, and this is for the belly pan, or not belly pan, the what do you call it, the gas tank cover. That's what that's for. So first of all, I'm gonna hook up some of these lines, put these to the side here, unplug the T because that's not supposed to be like that. Now we can start going on this.
That ain't no kind of answer. I mean, you know I jump how much, a lot, a little.
You got to appreciate what an explosive element this Bonnie situation is. I mean, she comes home from a hard day's work, finds a bunch of gangsters in the kitchen doing a bunch of gangster shit. Ain't no telling what she's liable to.
You know, grass bed, Jules. All I'm doing is contemplating the hips.
I don't hear about no motherfucking hips. All I want to hear from your ass is, you ain't got no problem, Jules. I'm on the motherfucker. Go back in there, chill them niggas out, and wait for the cavalry, which should be coming directly.
You ain't got no problem, Jules. I'm on the motherfucker. Go back in there and chill them niggas out.
She's in. It's in, Abe.
What?
Air filter and everything.
Seek.
That on there. Let's see if she starts. She should. Kind of nervous. Let's see how it does with the air filter and everything. I feel like it's going to run different because there's more restriction to the actual carburetor. Okay, lights are on. Give her 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pumps. Pulling air. Oh. All right. That's pretty good, guys. That's the truck right there, boys and girls. We got her running nice. Other than that rim. That rim's a little bit annoying. There she is under. Awesome. She's a bit cold. Well, thank you guys for watching. I really appreciate the support. This build is far yet from done. Currently, still some stuff we got to do. Put the lift kit, new tires, all that. Okay guys, thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one.